Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you we will have a series of safari type of designs. So the first design that we are gonna do is gonna be leopard design, then in another video we will do zebra design, and then in the third video we will do giraffe design as well. So if you want to learn more how to do this quick salon design, please keep on watching and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and let's jump into it. Okay guys, so as per usual you have to prepare your nail art nail tip, and I will use color number 5 from Yana Nails as my background color. It's always nice when you do leopard print to use beige, brown tones as your background. Even like a cover pink, it's nice as well, but it's nicer when it's beige or brownie. So I think number 5 is actually perfect color for this. Okay, and now I will put this in a lamp for the full curing time. Okay, now once this is fully cured, I will apply my matte top coat. You can use shiny top coat if you want. I will use matte. Okay, and again, full curing time. Okay, now we have matte surface. So you have to take now color that it's like brownie. Okay, you can choose whatever shade you like. This is number 75 from Yana Nails, and I will use it as my inside of a print, like a leopard print. You know, you have black and then darker brown. So this one will be my darker brown. Okay, and we will start to do irregular circle-y shapes. This is super easy, super fast, perfect for salon. When you have a client that maybe is in the rush, they want something trendy, this is then your go-to design. You can do one bigger than another. Do now one smaller here. Just filling the space. I will do 2 smaller ones here. Okay, and now I will put this in a lamp. Full curing time. After we fully cured this step, now it's time to go in your black. I'm gonna be using Genie in the Bottle. The black is black, and I will start to go around. Okay, on some parts it can be thicker, then as you move it, it can be thinner. It doesn't have to be the full circle. You can leave a gap on some parts just to make it a little bit more realistic. like that. Then I'm gonna do just one black here, one like shape, irregular shape, let's call it that way. And I will just go around every single brown shape that we did. Super fun, super quick, and super cute. And I will just add a few black dots. Okay, and now I will put this in a lamp for the full curing time. Okay guys, you can finish at this step, but I will take a little bit of shiny top coat. I have put, you can see it here, 2 marks. Shiny top coat, this is non-sticky top coat, and I will go around my print, okay, and in the middle. So this is extra, you don't have to do this, but I always like to play with textures, especially when I do a print like this. I like to then have a matte background and then print to be a little bit shiny. I think it's just cool. Flash curing in the meantime. Okay, now I will just repeat this step on all the circles we did. The reason why I flash cured it in the meantime is just because we have a matte background, so you don't really want that top coat to go onto matte, so to go actually outside of your leopard print that you did. Okay, so I try to do a few at a time, and then if I see that the top coat is moving, I just put it in for a few seconds in a lamp. And we continue. it does go a little bit outside of the line, I prefer to wipe it a little bit off and then just repeat, because I don't want really shiny on the mat, so just on the design. So make sure you clean it. So when you work this design on a client, while she's flash curing one hand, you can move on and work on the other one, so that way you don't really lose any time, because flash curing takes just a few seconds anyway. Flash cure. Okay, now I have all of them covered and it's time for full curing time. Okay guys, so this is the finished result. As you can see, we have a difference in the texture and it's super cool. I really like it. You can do all matte, you can do the whole surface shiny, you can do a little bit of both like we just did. You know, you have a lot of limits. So I'm trying to put it in the focus, but it's hard. There we go. Okay. Super fast, super quick, and super easy. And it looks lovely, especially if you do some really nice nude nails. Super cool. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you will enjoy recreating this. So first we did the leopard print, now we have zebra and giraffe print. Thank you so much for watching. To make my day better, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Ciao.